After a long day when all you have is leftovers or the makings for a jacket potato, the microwave can be your best friend, but there are some things you should definitely take more time reheating. The Food Network came up with a list of foods that look and taste much better when you reheat them in the oven or on the stove. 1. Casseroles. The Food Network recommends that you begin by adding a splash of water to the casserole to prevent it from drying out as it reheats. Cover it tightly with tin foil, then bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit in the oven until it's heated through. Check in the middle to make sure. 2. Pizza. Most people would argue that pizza tastes better cold the next day, but if you do want to heat it up again, you should bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit in the oven until the cheese has melted again and the crust is nice and crisp. 3. Pasta. Pasta without sauce is easy, just add it to a pot of boiling water for 30-45 seconds. Similarly, pasta in a tomato-based sauce can just be reheated in a saucepan on medium heat, with a splash of added water if the sauce is thicker. 4. French fries. Reheated French fries are generally awful because it's difficult not to change the taste and texture. For best results, the Food Network recommends you heat some oil in a non-stick sauté pan until it starts to sizzle. Place the leftover fries in the oil and fry until nice and crisp. Drain them on a paper towel-lined plate to drain the oil and sprinkle with salt. A recent study found that consumption of foods like chips and pizza has soared, as eating and drinking habits of UK consumers have changed dramatically through the generations. Changing technology, with an increase in freezers and microwaves, is part credited for this shift in what we eat, with consumption of ready meals and convenience meats increased sixfold.